guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn a very useful security tip to make your site more secure. How to log out or how to automatically log out inactive users on your site. So imagine that some persons did the login on your site and stay inactive without doing nothing for 10 minutes, for example. And you would like to log out this person to keep things secure, just like your bank mobile app does, okay? How to do this? First thing, go to WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus. Remember to access WordPress dashboard, enter with your domain plus WP admin into the browser address search bar or WP login, enter with your username or email and password. After this, take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. And go to the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click into the sub menu, add new plugin. Review the upper right corner of your screen. Into search plugins, click and type WP Code Lite. WP Code, insert headers, footers, custom code snippets, WordPress Code Manager. Then click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on our site. Then, if you scroll down and review the left sidebar of menus, next to settings, you're gonna be able to find a new menu called Code Snippets. Hover mouse over it and click into the plus Add Snippet submenu. Now, review this middle sidebar and move to login between disable and RSS feeds. And right here, there is a pre-built code called Auto-Logout inactive users. Instead of use a snippet, yours gonna be showing a button to connect. All you have to do is click, a pop-up gonna appears, so you can create an account on WP Code. It's free, it's simple, it just needs your email, username and password, and after, you're gonna go back with these two buttons, the preview to check the code, and the option to use snippet. Here is the code, it's a PHP code. In the case that I want to change it from 10 minutes, you need to multiply this. This is the amount of seconds in 10 minutes. Remember that you need to fix this, okay? And if in the case that I want to keep 10 minutes, all I have to do is stay as it is. Move to the upper right corner of your screen, next to the update button, there is a little switcher. We're gonna need to change it from inactive to active. And then hit the update button. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.